Oh, there we go. There we go. We got a fish. Fish number seven. Fish number seven. I only need three more for the goal. I got here fish number seven. Awfully close to the rock. Hopefully I don't lose it. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah. There we go. There we go. I love when they jump out. Come on, give me another jump. Give me another jump. I don't think it's gonna jump down. There we go. Oh, this is a good size. This is a good size fish. Hopefully it doesn't break the line trying to get it out. Ah, let me see if I can grab it. Ah. Yeah. So look. Been oh, there we go. There we go. You see? There we go. I got it. I got it. Oh, this one's pulling really good. This one's pulling really good. So this ought to be a good fish. Oh, now it's coming up current. Oh, there it is. Not even that big. Come on. Not even that big. I swear that sometimes the smallest one is the one that gives you the biggest fight. Oh, this is what I'm going for. American Shad. I'm sorry it's all full of there we go. Sand and fish number nine. Fish number nine. Didn't think they were counting how many fish I had caught. It's like, oh, I saw you caught like eight fish. I don't mind telling them what I'm catching them on, especially if there's a kid involved. I want everybody to catch a fish, especially a kid. Those are good memories that they grew up with. And then they pass it to their kids and their kids to their kids. I remember when I was a kid, I was always excited to just catch a few pumpkin seeds. And I won my first fishing tournament when I was 2 years old against the grown-ups. So here's my fish number nine. That's not too small either. All right. Sometimes they got parasites in their mouth. Yeah, got it. Got it. Oh, it feels so small. Oh, now it's bending the rod. Oh, there it is. Woo! I just love when they jump out like that. Huh? Come on, come on. Settle down, settle down. Yeah, yeah, settle down. Gotta be careful. I just got hit on the face with my hook earlier. Here's the fish. Oh, this is a pretty good size. Ah, there we go. American Shad. American Shad. Right here. I met my goal.